Ramadan is an opportunity for us to get our salah in order. It's not possible for a person to be fasting on the one side and not performing salah on the other side. We find that many people, as the month of Ramadan starts, they are in the habit of performing salah. And they continue to perform salah for a few days, and then eventually that habit dies out. But what we need to understand that salah is fard, fasting is also fard. It's two compulsory acts that are coming together, and both are intertwined. You can't be fasting on the one side and missing salah on the other side. Many of us only manage to perform Maghrib salah, or many of us are only coming once or twice to the masjid during the day. We need to make a greater effort to see that we get our salah in order. Salah is the first thing that Allah will question us on the day of Qiyamah in terms of a'mal. And if our salah is in order, everything else inshallah will be in order. And if our salah is not in order, then I'm afraid it's going to impact on the rest of the stages that are to follow. So salah is for our benefit. It's an intimate conversation between us and our Creator. It should be done out of love. Whenever we hear the muaddin saying, Hayya ala salah and Hayya ala falah, come for salah, come to success, it's a call by one lover to another lover. Allah the Beloved is calling His lover, and Allah is saying, come to the house of Allah, kneel in front of me, prostrate and bow down in front of me, and show me your love. Show and profess your love for me. So salah is a very personal ibadah. Very personal ibadah. Imagine the Nabi of Allah was called to the seven heavens and above, just so that he could receive this gift personally from Allah. For all other actions, for all other ibadah, for zakat, for hajj, and all other rulings, the rulings came down. But for salah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala called His beloved to him and personally presented this gift to him. This tells you how important this act of ibadah is to a believer, that our entire life revolves around salah. What time is salah? What time is salah? Where will I be at this time of salah? How will I be able to perform my salah? Our entire day, our entire schedule revolves around salah. Not the other way around, that if I get time, I'll fit in salah. If I don't get time, I won't perform salah. If it's something that I can manage, I'll do it. If not, I'll skip it out. Rather, our entire day revolves around salah. We must structure our day around salah. We must structure our meetings around salah. All our appointment must be around salah. And let's make that effort. The month of Ramadan is conducive for this. If we can get it right in the month of Ramadan, all 5 times salah, including Taraweeh, I promise you, you would be able to do this even post the month of Ramadan. May Allah bless us. There's so many rewards promised for salah. So many rewards. I'll only end off with this one particular aspect of salah, where the Nabi of Allah says, جُعِلَتْ قُرَّةُ عَيْنِ فِي الصَّلَاةِ. Allah has kept the coolness of my eyes in salah. And therefore, whenever the Prophet of Allah was faced with any trouble, immediately he went for salah. Whether it was a matter that was stressing him out, or whether it was a matter of happiness or occasion of joy, he always turned to salah. Let's create a personal bond. Let's create a personal link with salah. May Allah bless us all. Ameen ya Rabbil Alameen.